Here's an example. Example number 1. We have 3 samples. Sample is number 1. There is a 1 and 9. Sample number 2, 10, 4, 8, 6, and 2. Sample number 3, 4, 16, and 10. Did you copy? How many N1? 2, thank you. N2? 5. N3? 3. Can you give me the X1 bar? I have to take the sum is between 1 and 9. Divide by 2. 5. Can you give me the X bar 2? X2 bar? I don't know. Oh, it's easy. 10, 10, 10, 30 divided by 5. The second sample mean X2 bar will be 6. How about the third one? X3 bar. Oh, yeah, it is an easy one. It's a 20 and 10, 30 divided by 3. That would be 10. So the sample number 3 gave us the biggest sample mean 10. And the sample number 1 gave us the smallest sample mean 5. It's good, right? How about the big N? The big N was defined as the summation of small n i's, I from 1 to k. Then now is a k equal 3. So we just add up 2, 5, 3. The big N will be 10. It's good, right? How about the just X bar? The overall sample mean? It will be the double summation, xij. But the inner summation, the inside, this summation was 10, 30, and 30. So now, by the definition, let me take the sum of 10, 30, and 30. Divided by 10. So now I can say 70 over 10 would be 7. So now I can put them in the scale. Here is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each sample mean was 5, 6, and 10. But the overall mean, 7, was here. It's good, right? Yeah. So please understand the data structure, and please understand the notations. And definitely we are going to compare the sample means is again.